In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on LinkedIn if you prefer a darker screen that's easier on the eyes, especially at night or during long browsing sessions. LinkedIn makes this setting very simple to enable. We'll go through the process from the main LinkedIn feed all the way to turning dark mode on permanently. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the home screen where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the page and click on Me. This opens your account menu where you can access profile and account related options. After the menu appears, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps the controls for your account preferences, display options, and other customization settings. If you've never visited this section before, don't worry, it's organized into categories and the option we need is easy to find. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, look for the dark mode option and click on it. This will open the display preference for LinkedIn's color theme. Dark mode changes the background of the site to darker tones, which many people find more comfortable and visually cleaner. It can also help reduce glare, depending on your screen and environment. In the dark mode settings, select Always On. As soon as you choose this option, LinkedIn should switch to dark mode right away. That means the site will continue using the dark theme whenever you use LinkedIn, instead of returning to the standard light appearance. If the change doesn't appear instantly, give the page a moment to refresh visually. In some cases, navigating to another LinkedIn page and back can help confirm that the setting has been applied. You can always return to the same settings area later if you want to switch back or explore other display preferences. And that's it. To turn on dark mode on LinkedIn, just go to your feed, click Me, open Settings and Privacy, choose dark mode, and then set it to Always On. This is a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in everyday use, especially if you spend a lot of time reading messages, browsing posts, or updating your profile. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you customize LinkedIn in a way that feels more comfortable for you.